Hi, Paul and Harry here as usual, out filming, but today I have got some fantastic news for you. It's competition time again. Woohoo! This time we've gone a bit crazy. We've gone a bit mad. I don't know, it must be the festive spirit. I don't know what's going on, but we have decided to give away a massive, massive prize worth in excess of £1,000. So what are we giving away? Okay, what can you win? Well, you can win pretty much what I'm wearing. Not the exact clothes that I'm wearing, but you can win a full Montane winter outfit for men or for women. You can win a full Grangers Care and Maintenance bundle to look after and care for all of your outdoor kit. And you can win 3 pairs of the lovely Darn Tough socks. The whole kit and caboodle could be yours by very simply entering our competition. But before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be kept up to date with all of our latest videos, all of our inside look videos, all of our how-to videos, and of course all of our competitions. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and be kept up to date with all of the latest info from Trekitt. What was that? How do we enter, I hear you scream? Well, it's very simple. Right towards the end of the video, I will be asking a very simple question. Pop your answer into the comments section below, and the winner will be drawn at random on Friday, the 18th of December. The winner will be notified across all of our social media channels. So make sure you're following us on Instagram and Facebook, and that you've subscribed to our YouTube channel to make sure you're kept up to date with all of the information, and more importantly, as to whether you have won. So, good luck, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the prize. All right, so let's get down to the details of what you can win in this amazing £1,000 worth of mega prize bundle. So let's start with the Montane full winter outfit for men or for women. So let's crack on. You've got Trailblazer 30 rucksack. You've got tornado gloves for men or for women. You've got Primino boxers or Primino briefs for women. You've got the fabulous Alpine Resolve jacket, which has got nice big hand warmer pockets. You've got Featherlite down jacket for men or for women. You've got the Chonos or the Tundra fleece for men and for women. And you've got a Primino 140 zip base layer for men and for women. That is quite an incredible prize, and it also includes the trousers that I'm wearing. Well, not the trousers that I'm wearing because these are mine, but these are the Terra mission pants. Those are available for men and for women. And you also get this fabulous Montane beanie as well. So a full head to toe Montane winter outfit for men and for women. And to complement that, you get a full Grangers Care bundle. That's everything that you need to wash, reproof and care for all of your outdoor kit. And then to keep your feet warm, to just finish off the whole outfit, you get 3 pairs of quite beautiful Darn Tough socks. How incredible is that? Okay, so to be in with the chance of winning this amazing prize, the question that I'm going to ask is, what random object did I pull out of this pocket during the video? Pop your answers in the comments section below, and await with bated breath until the 18th of December, where we will announce the winner. Don't forget, the winner will be announced across all of our social media channels. So subscribe to our Instagram and our Facebook pages, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way you'll know if you've won. Right, that's it. I'm going to get out of here, but thanks very much for watching. Harry will pop a link up here if you want to get all the information on this amazing prize bundle. It'll take you through to our website and you can read up on everything that you could possibly win. And of course, I can't finish without saying a massive thank you to the brands that have partnered with us to make this incredible prize giveaway a reality. So that's Montane, especially you, Pete, that's Grangers, and that's Darn Tough. So thanks very much to those guys, and thanks to you for watching, and get your answers in the comment section below, and good luck.